Our AI-focused executive program in digital marketing is designed for ambitious learners who want fast, practical, and career-focused upskilling. With structured modules, hands-on use of advanced digital marketing and AI tools, and industry-recognized certifications, you become job-ready from day one. This program is perfect fit for graduates who want to become job-ready in a short time, professionals seeking a rapid career upgrade, entrepreneurs who want to scale their business digitally, freelancers and consultants targeting their premium clients. If your goal is to upskill quickly and learn the core essentials in digital marketing, this program is made for you. This is a 4-month fast-track intensive program designed to fit your busy schedule. You can join flexible weekday or weekend batches and attend either in the classroom or online from anywhere. Yes, you get complete career support. We help you create your resume and portfolio, prepare for interviews, and connect with companies and freelance clients. Whether you want a better job, a promotion, or a high-value freelance work, we guide you step by step. Working professionals typically see a strong career growth and significant salary hikes after completing this program. Many learners move into higher-paying salary roles, leadership positions, or start earning independently through freelance consulting. You will learn 15 modules including website designing, SEO and analytics, social media marketing, Google and Meta ads, email marketing, and many more. This AI-powered curriculum ensures you work smarter, not harder. You get extended access to updated learning resources and future module upgrades. You can revisit sessions for revision and stay updated with new tools and strategies as the industry evolves. If you want to quickly accelerate your career, upgrade your skills, or unlock better income opportunities, the Executive Program in Digital Marketing is your next big step.